Welcome to Easy Driver, the most reliable source of automotive information on YouTube. 10 signs of a safe car. What to look for before deciding. Are you concerned about the safety of your vehicle? Knowing the signs of a safe car is crucial for every driver. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 signs that indicate your car is safe to drive. Understanding these signs will help you make informed decisions to ensure your safety on the road. Let's dive into the key indicators of a secure and reliable vehicle. Structural integrity. High safety ratings. When considering a safe car, high safety ratings are a crucial factor. Safety ratings are determined by various crash tests and evaluations carried out by organizations such as the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration, NHTSA, and the Insurance Institute for Highway Safety, IIHS. These organizations conduct rigorous assessments to evaluate a vehicle's performance in various crash scenarios, including frontal, side, and rollover collisions. A car with top safety ratings indicates that it has demonstrated strong structural integrity and the ability to protect occupants in the event of a crash. Crash test performance. Crash test performance provides valuable insights into a car's structural integrity and overall safety. These tests simulate real-world crash scenarios to assess how well a vehicle protects its occupants. Key aspects evaluated include the effectiveness of seat belts, airbags, and the structural integrity of the car's cabin. Cars that perform well in crash tests exhibit robust construction and advanced safety features, contributing to a higher level of protection for occupants in the event of a collision. Looking for cars that have excelled in crash tests can enhance the likelihood of owning a safe vehicle with strong structural integrity. Advanced safety features. Electronic stability control. Electronic stability control, ESC, is a sophisticated safety feature that helps drivers maintain control of their vehicles during extreme steering maneuvers. It uses a combination of sensors to detect and reduce the loss of traction. When ESC detects that the vehicle is veering off its intended path, it automatically applies brakes to individual wheels and, if necessary, adjusts engine power to help the driver regain control. Anti-lock braking system. The anti-lock braking system, ABS, is a critical safety feature that prevents the wheels from locking up during braking. By preventing the wheels from skidding, ABS helps maintain steering control during hard braking and on slippery surfaces. This technology operates by automatically modulating the brake pressure to each wheel, ensuring that the vehicle can still be steered while braking. By integrating electronic stability control and anti-lock braking system technologies, modern vehicles offer advanced safety features that significantly enhance vehicle control and stability. These technologies provide drivers with an added layer of protection, especially in challenging driving conditions, ultimately contributing to safer road experiences. Airbag system. Airbags are a crucial safety feature in a car, designed to protect occupants in the event of a collision. A well-equipped car with a comprehensive airbag system can significantly enhance the safety of the vehicle. Let's delve into the key aspects of an effective airbag system, including multiple airbags and side curtain airbags. Multiple airbags. An advanced airbag system encompasses multiple airbags strategically positioned throughout the vehicle. These airbags serve to cushion and protect passengers in various seating positions. Frontal airbags are standard in most vehicles and deploy in the event of a frontal collision. Additionally, side impact airbags offer protection in the event of a side collision, reducing the risk of injury to the chest and abdomen. Furthermore, knee airbags can provide added protection for the lower extremities, while some vehicles are equipped with center airbags to mitigate the risk of occupants colliding with each other in a side impact scenario. Side curtain airbags, also known as roof rail airbags, are designed to deploy from the roof lining above the side windows in the event of a side collision or a rollover. These airbags create a protective curtain that covers the side windows, offering head protection for both front and rear occupants. A comprehensive side curtain airbag system can significantly reduce the risk of head injuries during a collision, providing an additional layer of safety for the vehicle's occupants. Hey there! If you like what you're seeing, drop a comment below and a thumbs up if it's hitting the spot. Don't forget to share with friends who might dig this and hit that subscribe button for more. Child safety features. Latch system for child seats. When it comes to ensuring the safety of your little ones, the latch system is a paramount feature in a safe car. Latch, which stands for lower anchors and tethers for children, provides a secure and standardized method for installing child safety seats without using the vehicle's seatbelt system. This innovative system offers a simple yet effective way to anchor child seats, minimizing the risk of improper installation and enhancing overall child safety. Child safety locks. In the realm of child safety, the inclusion of child safety locks in a vehicle is non-negotiable. These locks enable parents to prevent children from inadvertently opening car doors from the inside, reducing the likelihood of accidents such as opening doors while the vehicle is in motion. Child safety locks offer peace of mind for parents by adding an extra layer of protection and ensuring that children remain secure within the vehicle. Visibility and lighting. Daytime running lights. Daytime running lights, DRLs, are an essential safety feature designed to increase the visibility of vehicles during daylight hours. These lights automatically switch on when the engine is running, helping other drivers to notice your vehicle more easily. In the event of poor visibility, such as during dawn or dusk, or in hazardous weather conditions, DRLs significantly enhance the vehicle's visibility to others on the road, reducing the risk of accidents. Adaptive headlights. Adaptive headlights are a cutting-edge safety innovation that aims to increase visibility during nighttime driving. These headlights adjust their direction and intensity based on steering input, vehicle speed, and road conditions. By illuminating the road ahead more effectively around curves and over hills, adaptive headlights help drivers to see obstacles and potential hazards sooner, providing additional time to react and avoid potential accidents. Security features. Car security features are essential for ensuring the safety of the vehicle and its occupants. Anti-theft systems and remote keyless entry are critical components that provide peace of mind to car owners. Anti-theft system. An effective anti-theft system is a crucial feature for protecting your car from theft and vandalism. Modern anti-theft systems use advanced technology such as engine immobilizers, motion sensors, and alarms to deter thieves. These systems are designed to detect unauthorized entry and trigger a loud alarm, alerting the owner and nearby individuals. Some systems also have GPS tracking capabilities, allowing owners and law enforcement to locate and recover stolen vehicles. Remote keyless entry. Remote keyless entry allows car owners to lock, unlock, and even start their vehicles from a distance. This feature enhances convenience and security by eliminating the need for physical keys. With the press of a button on the key fob, the car doors can be securely locked or unlocked, providing quick access without fumbling for keys. Additionally, the remote start function enables the car to be started from a distance, ensuring a comfortable interior temperature before entering the vehicle. Car manufacturers continue to innovate and improve security features to combat vehicle theft and unauthorized access, providing car owners with increased protection and peace of mind. Maintenance and service history. Regular maintenance and a well-documented service history are essential indicators of a safe car. By examining the maintenance records and service history, you can gain valuable insights into the level of care the vehicle has received. Regular maintenance records. A safe car will have consistent and up-to-date maintenance records, including oil changes, filter replacements, and scheduled inspections. These records demonstrate that the owner has prioritized the vehicle's upkeep, ensuring that it remains in optimal condition. No outstanding recalls. Additionally, a safe car will have no outstanding recalls. Checking for any unresolved recalls is crucial, as it ensures that any safety-related issues identified by the manufacturer have been addressed. A vehicle with no outstanding recalls reflects a proactive approach to maintaining safety standards. By reviewing the maintenance records and verifying the absence of outstanding recalls, you can significantly enhance your confidence in the safety of a prospective vehicle. Vehicle size and weight. Low rollover risk. Vehicle size and weight play a crucial role in determining the safety of a car. Generally, larger and heavier vehicles tend to have a lower risk of rollovers compared to smaller and lighter ones. This is due to the lower center of gravity and increased stability that comes with more mass. When a vehicle has a lower risk of rollover, it can provide enhanced safety for the occupants, especially during high-speed maneuvers and collisions. Impact-absorbing structure. In addition to lower rollover risk, the size and weight of a vehicle also influence its impact-absorbing capabilities. Heavier vehicles are often better equipped to absorb impact forces in the event of a collision. This is because the additional mass can help dissipate and distribute the energy from a crash, reducing the severity of injuries to the vehicle's occupants. Furthermore, larger vehicles tend to have a more robust structural design, incorporating reinforced materials and crumple zones that enhance overall safety. Conclusion: ensuring the safety of your car is paramount for both you and your passengers. By being attentive to these 10 signs of a safe car, you can take proactive measures to maintain a secure driving experience. From regular maintenance checks to understanding the latest safety features, staying informed about the condition of your vehicle is essential. Prioritizing safety not only provides peace of mind, but ultimately contributes to a secure and enjoyable driving experience for all. Have you found this video helpful or insightful? Then please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this. Thank you for watching.